Most people overcook Kaleji and make it hard. Here's my simple Tawa Kaleji recipe with one small trick that keeps it soft, juicy and absolutely delicious. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं तवा कलेजी, सॉफ्ट एंड जूसी एवरी टाइम यू मेक इट। तो चलो शुरू कर। I have taken 250 grams of kaleji. Wash the kaleji thoroughly with a little vinegar and then rinse with fresh water 4 to 5 times. Drain well and keep aside. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a heavy tawa or pan. Add the drained kaleji and fry on medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Cover and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, add the slit green chillies around 2 to 3 and also 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Keep the flame on low and continue to saute till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes. Now let's add the spice powders. I am adding very basic masalas, just 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and around 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. If you don't have chili flakes, you can add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder as well. Now mix well and add 100 grams of beaten curd. We have still not added any water. Curd will leave its own water. Add the curd and continue stirring so that the spices coat the kaleji evenly. Now let's add the salt, pepper powder and garam masala powder. This is towards the end after the kaleji has already been almost done. So I'm going to be adding around 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. Cook for another 2-3 minutes. Once the masala is nicely fragrant and aromatic, switch off the flame. That's it. Now here are the tips. Add pepper powder and garam masala at the end for better aroma and flavor. Pepper powder also will make your dish dark if you add it earlier. Always add salt towards the end of cooking. Adding it too early can make the kaleji firm and less tender. Serve hot with chapati, parotta, neer dosa or even steamed rice, or with anything that you prefer, maybe by itself. Soft, juicy and full of flavor. This tawa kaleji comes together in minutes and tastes absolute amazing. So do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients and method as always in the description box. Thank you for watching.